It's May the 4th, and your suspension is gone to the dark side. But the good news is we sense there's still good left in your shocks. Why rebuild a shock? Well, there's many reasons why. Internally, that shock could be blown. That's the revenge of the Sith, right? You've got too much going on, coming out, oil spewing everywhere. That's like a pod race and losing one of your turbine motors, and you're just gonna spin off the course. Well, Anakin's gonna blow past you, but what we really want is to dial it in so that not only internally are they good, but we can externally help with dual rate springs, taking you to that Jedi master level of suspension. So come by Fury Motorsports and get that shock rebuild, from extended reservoir caps to the seals, and we'll even install dual rate springs absolutely free if you book before Memorial Day. Whether it's IBOC, shock therapy, Zebros, get that dual rate suspension to take your suspension to the Jedi-level.